Hello, hello, hello. This is Jenna Cantor, performer and physical therapist. I'm the founder of Powerful Performer. I want to come on today, just talk about something really simple, a very basic concept. If you are a PT or a PTA who is just not happy with some things that are going on in the practice in which you are involved with, on a level in which you feel like it needs to be changed legislatively, it needs to be changed higher up the ladder in order for things to actually make a huge difference. If you want this change to happen, if you can just taste it, here's how you can be a part of making that happen, and that's joining Lobby Day. Lobby Day can be at the Federal Advocacy Forum, so that's on the national level, or it could just be on your state level, doing a Lobby Day within your state. And for those who are wondering, this says I love physical therapy. So once again, Lobby Day. Get involved with Lobby Day. It's a simple answer. You could sit there and think, let's acknowledge the naysayers right now. The naysayers who think, oh, Lobby Day, what's that going to do? It's better off if you do this. It's better off if you do that. It's better off if you do this. It's better off if you do that. Why not do all of it? Why would you cut out yet another opportunity to speak up in front of the right people and get that message there? Have that paper, even if it ends up being pushed. It takes multiple trials to get it really to sink in. And these bigger, more organized lobby days is where we're coming to them. That definitely shows a level of seriousness. It also shows a level of unitedness amongst our profession. So the more people that are there, the stronger we appear, which is very good. We want that. We want that united front. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to private message me or write in the comments below. Take care. Bye.